The difference between this app and other mindset coaching apps is amazing. I almost made the biggest mistake in my life, I thought, after I downloaded the Vibresonate app. I was expecting it to be the same as all those other apps I tried. But amazingly, I saw results starting almost immediately. It doesn't promise a total transformation, but it does provide the tools that you access as you are ready for the next step. Now, most of these apps have a small or basic collection of info or tools, but nothing really comes out of their content. I mean, you hardly ever see results, or it's designed to hook you on exorbitantly high prices. But the Vibresonate app has content and material in almost all areas of need. And I can honestly sleep at night knowing that I am getting quality help now without spending exorbitant prices with one-on-one coaching. For the first time, I was able to feel stable and solid. I feel in control. Physically, I feel more stability too. Less pain, less insecurity, and more happiness. And there is always new material available added to the app that I can't wait to try. And there is a little something for everyone. Maybe you don't connect with one subject in the app, it's not something related to your experiences in life. That's okay, there are plenty other topics and categories that may be more like the areas you align with. It has frequencies, follow-along guidance videos, healthy recipes, exercises, courses and programs, trackers, support groups, and live group connections by Zoom on different topics. It even has a private support activity page and messaging system within the app. And it's laid out in an easy-to-follow layout. Now, they have just released the newest version of the app. Before, it was not as easy to use and you were searching all over for what you wanted. Now, they revamped it and are releasing the new, easy-to-follow version, and with that comes the best deal ever. This app was always affordable. Just a simple $24.95 a month for the VIP version of it. Today, for a limited time, they are giving a 50% discount on the first month. And if you refer the app to a friend who tries it too, they are happy to give you 20% back. I don't think many apps do that. I'm just going to say it once, with all that the app can help with all those discounted deals, you really can't lose unless you sign up and don't check it out. I have done that in the past too, the excuse that I was too busy. But even just trying 2 of their topics will give you more of an idea of whether this app is right for you. There are so many other things we could tell you about the app, but honestly, we don't want the powers that be to come in and shut it down. We want you to get access to all of it. Right now it is in PWA version. The Android version is coming in early September 2025. And the iOS version shortly after that. Check out the link provided, download and sign up for VIP using discount code WELLIN25 while the discount code is still valid. Once 1,000 people use the code, it will be turned off. See you inside the app.